Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today in this video, we will see a math module in Python. So today we'll see a math module. It's a built-in module which is used to perform some basic operations like to find out the floor, to find out the ceil value. Suppose we want to find out the sqrt, square of the number. We have a sqrt function. If you want to calculate the want to find out the power of number, we have power. These all are the functions which are available in math module. Some more functions are also there like fsum, some factorial function. These all are the functions that you can perform different kind of operation which are all are present in the math module. So one by one we will see. So for that, I'll start with the PyCharm. Make sure that your machine should have a Python latest version, and PyCharm is the ID. So I'll start with a new project. I'll select the new one. You can navigate to any of the path in your machine. So I'll select D drive. It's loading. In SEM2 Python, what happened in sample? I'll select sample. In this, I'll create one project, for example, folder like this is the concepts belongs to functions. I'll create one folder that is function. Click on that, select function and click on OK, create. You can select any of the folders where this programs is going to be stored. So you can see in the left hand side in the project explorer, I have one function folder. Just right click on that. Under the new menu, we'll click on Python and I'll write here, for example, math, enter. It will automatically add the py extension, that is a Python extension, and we'll start with some printing the message directly by using some functions. So if I want to print some value, for example, I want to print the value. Okay, before that, what I'll do, I'll declare one value x is equal to suppose 2.7, right? But I want round figure. See, if I have some value like 2.7, and suppose if I want to round up this value, right? There will be two options. Either you can go down or you can go up. For example, if I want to round up this value to the lower side, then my answer will be 2, right? And that is called as what? That is called as a floor value. And if I want to round off this to the upper side, then the value will be 3. That is called as a ceil value, right? So depending on what you want, you have to go with that particular function. So here I will select, for example, if I print like floor and x, right? Actually, it is showing one error because we have not imported that math module, right? So whenever I want to use the functions which are available in that particular module, I have to import that function module first. That is import math. It's math. And using this math module, I can use these functions by using like math dot. See, you can see this here, floor, math dot floor. Now, if I'll execute this, floor means what? It's a lower side value. So if I'll execute this one, you will get the lower side. Oh, sorry, it is taking some different. I have to select the current file and I'll execute this one. So see, you are getting what? You're getting 2 value, right? In the console, you can find it out. Suppose I'll copy this, Control C, Control V, and this time the same value, but I'll select the function ceil. Ceil means what? It will give the upper side of the value. So what is the upper side of the value? 2.7. That is the 3. So you will get here, the answer is 3. That's all, right? For example, one more. Control V, suppose floor value, and suppose I'm giving directly some value like 6.48. Okay, if I'll execute this, you will get 6 as a lower limit because it's a floor, right? One more thing, every time instead of using this math dot floor, right, you can also use the alias names. For example, math as, for example, M, math as M, right? The moment you select the math as M, then this will not going to be work. So you have to use only M instead of math. So it's an alias name instead of using that math function, right? Also, we can use some more functions like if I want to print M dot sqrt, simply pass the value. For example, I want to find out the square root of 4. Execute, you will get the square root, that is 2.0. Clear? Means everything is available. We have to just use that functions. We should know that functions. For example, if I have some list, consider one list, L is equals to some lists, suppose 10, 20, 30, and I want to do some additions. So you can directly perform by using some inbuilt functions. So M dot, there is a function called as fsum, and just you pass this list here, L. Right? So 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 plus 30 is 60. You will get the answer 60 here. Right? One more function. For example, I want to calculate the factorial of a given number. Very simple, print. I'm directly taking the value just to understand how the functions are getting used. Okay, so m dot factorial of, for example, 5. You know that the factorial of 5 is what? 120. Just go and click, you will get the. See how the task is getting very easy with the help of this all functions. One more function is there. For example, if you have one value, y is equal to minus 10, right? But you want only absolute values. Absolute values means I want always the positive values only. So for that purpose, we have one function m dot fabs. Okay, you just pass this y here and see, you will always get the output as a positive values. See 10.0. If you pass 10 also, it will give 10 only. But always it's not, it's make sure that you are not going to get any negative value if you are going to use this fabs function. Right? One more function, generally used function, that is print. Suppose I want to calculate a power of some number. Power of. For example, 3 to the power 2. So 3 comma 2. So you know the answer. 3 to the power means 3 3 is a 9. If I'll execute this, you will get what? 9.0. So likewise, you can use n number of functions like we have seen here. We have seen around 4 to 5 different functions. These all functions are available in math module. So that is what the beauty of math module. You can find out more function by using the help command, that what are the different functions are used in math modules. So for this video, it's enough. We will meet with some more videos, some different functions in our next upcoming videos. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.